Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here in this video I will be talking about how you can install any package in RStudio. So let's open the RStudio, and before starting the video I would like to say that in this channel I generally upload videos about C programming, data structures and algorithms, and few inspirational stories, MATLAB videos. Okay, so if you don't know anything about them, if you want to know about them, so go to the channel and first of all press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you, and go to the playlist section of the playlist, so where you can have all the videos. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's talk about this. So this is the RStudio platform here, and as you can see here, this is the console. So to clear the console I am pressing Ctrl L. Okay, so the console has been cleared, and now if you want to install packages, for example I want to install these packages which will be used in our programming, so I will be showing how to install them. Okay, so let's start then. You can do it by two ways. Okay, first of all go to the package here, plots, packages, files, everything is there. So package and then install package, and here you can type the name which package you want to install. For example, if I say for example this one, okay, this one, scales. Okay, and here it's okay, scales, then install. So it will be installed. Okay, as you can see here there is a command install.packages. Okay, and within bracket there will be a double quote, and inside the double quote the scales package name is written. Okay, so what we have understood by this is actually we can also do it by the command also. Okay, for example if you can write here, okay, install dot, okay, here it is written install dot package. Okay, now in double quote you can write anything. For example, if I write G cookbook, okay, so here G cookbook, and then press enter, and then you can see here yeah it is started. Okay, so from the URL it's getting downloaded the zip file, and after that it's extracting, and after that it's being installed. Okay, in this way it will be installed. So let me install another one, this one. Now you can see here also what are the things going to download it. Okay, all the things here it is written. Okay, so you can install by this also, by the graphical method, GUI method, or all the means command method. If any method you can use. Okay, no need to worry about all these things, both are same. Okay, here what you are doing, that here it is graphical means the graphical user interface using GUI system you are installing, and here this is the command. Actually when you will press the install button na, as you can see, as you saw that in that time, that menu means automatically the command has come into the console, and after that the installation had done. So here also install packages. Okay, here double quote, enter. So another one. So in this way we can do these things. Okay, so if you like this video, if you found it useful, share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos on RStudio. And the mostly important, please hit the like button and let me know through comment if you have any doubt, or if how much you have liked it. Is it really informative for you or not? Please do comment. Okay, and share this video. And this much for today guys. See you on the next video.